Right here?
Ma'am. Like y'all are headed for some more weather up in front of us, don't it?
Sure looks like it.
Well, hey, Harold, I'm going to get you to this next stop sign right here. Then y'all load up on the freeway. You ought to be able to Cadillac from here, brother.
Alrighty, I sure appreciate it, man.
She wakes at midnight on the couch again, after she cried herself to sleep. She dwells a moment on her broken heart, then she drifts right on back to sleep. Somewhere tonight it's raining in Texas. Somewhere tonight it's raining in Texas again. Somewhere tonight you'll find a light even as a thunder rolls. Somewhere tonight it's raining hard. She rolls on Highway 49 tonight. He thinks of what a fool he is, because she says she's finally moving on. So now the pain belongs to him. Somewhere tonight it's raining in Texas. Somewhere tonight it's raining in Texas again. Somewhere tonight you'll find the light even as a thunder rolls. Somewhere tonight it's raining, and it's raining hard, so hard the storms roll. But who's that standing on the waves? Jesus, I give my life. Just take this pain today. This life is more than I can take. Her phone rings early for the sunset. It's a voice she don't recognize. He says my name is Officer Ben Jones. I've got bad news for you tonight. Somewhere tonight it's raining in Texas again. Somewhere tonight you'll find the light even as a thunderbolt. Somewhere tonight it's raining hard. It's raining hard. It's raining hard. Oh, so hard. It's raining hard. Somewhere tonight it's raining.